Hello, this is Systems of Linear Equations and Inequalities, Graphing and Solving Systems of Linear Inequalities, Example 2. And in Example 2, we have a system of three inequalities, and we have to graph them and see where their intersection is, and that'll be the solution. So, let's see, we will be interested in these three lines. We'll be interested in x equals 0, and x equals 0 is the y-axis, because x equals 0 everywhere along that, and it's x greater than 0. So this is everything to the right of the y-axis. Y equals 0 is another boundary line, and that's this line. And y is greater than or equal to 0 is everything this way. So the intersection there is just going to be quadrant 1 here, because quadrant 1 fits this because it's that way, and it also fits this because it's right there. That's the only place where these two inequalities intersect. So that's what we know from the first one. And now we still need to graph this one. 4x plus 3y equals 24. So to graph that one, I thought I'd first let x be 0. And if I let x be 0, then I have 3y equals 24, and that's y equals 8. So I've got the point 0, 8. And I also thought I'd let y be 0. If I let y be 0, I end up with 4x equals 24, or x equals 6. So I have the point 6, 0. Okay, so now I'm ready to draw this second line using the point 0, 8. That's right there. And the point 6, 0 is right there. Okay, so I've already got the y-axis, the x-axis. We know that the graph only exists, the intersection only exists up in that first quadrant. And I'll draw this line. And now, based on the inequality, based on this, 4x plus 3y is less than or equal to 24, the graph is either going to be up here or it's going to be down here. So this is a boundary line, this is a boundary line, and this is a boundary line, and we're figuring out where this is. So I'll pick a point. Now 0, 0 won't work because it's right on the lines. So I'll pick a point out here. I'll use the point -1, -1. So if I let x and y both be -1, this ends up -4 minus 3 is less than or equal to 24. And see, that'll tell us if it's this side of the line or this side of the line. So -7 less than or equal to 24, that's true. So because it's true, it's everything on this side of the line. And we already have this boundary, this boundary, this boundary, and it's everything this way, so it's this triangle.